In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your ebook on Kajabi. Whether you're a seasoned author or just starting out, putting your ebook on Kajabi can help you reach a wider audience and boost your sales. So let's dive in and break down the process step by step, making sure you get the most out of this powerful platform. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to kajabi.com. This is the starting point where all the magic begins. Once you're on the homepage, take a glance towards the upper right corner and click on the login button. It's a pretty straightforward step, but an important one. After clicking login, you'll see options to enter your credentials. You have the flexibility to sign in using your email or your Google account, whichever is more convenient for you. If you haven't set up your account yet, just follow the prompts to create one, which is quite intuitive and user-friendly. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Kajabi dashboard. This is your command center. Now, to create a new digital product, look for an option that says Create, and from there select Start from Scratch. This is ideal if you're selling just your ebook and not bundling it with other types of content. Starting from scratch gives you the freedom to craft your product exactly how you envision it. Now it's time to give your ebook a name. Consider something catchy and reflective of your content. Alongside that, add a short, engaging description. This is crucial because it lets potential customers know what they're getting and entices them to make a purchase. A well-crafted description can make a significant difference in converting browsers into buyers. With the name and description in place, you'll need to upload your ebook file. Kajabi supports various formats like PDF, EPUB and others, making it really accommodating no matter how you formatted your content. Simply upload your file and Kajabi will do the heavy lifting, ensuring it's ready for your audience. Next up, you'll want to think about pricing. This is another important aspect, as the right price can attract more customers. You have the option to create a new offer. If you're undecided, you can bypass this step for now, but it's worth considering how you want to position your ebook in the market. And there you have it, a quick and comprehensive guide to setting up your ebook on Kajabi. This process not only helps you showcase your product, but it also leverages Kajabi's extensive features to enhance your reach and revenue. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide empowers you to take your ebook sales to the next level. Happy selling!